Happy to talk some about search as we go through. Don't know what happened to this slide. Oh, market share increasing. I don't want you to get too excited about the green. That says we're up in the U.S. from 7 to 10% market share. It's a little different place for us to be, but as Google tries to come into our markets, we're also going to put good competition into the search business. Entertainment, TV, ERP, mid-market ERP. We think that's a huge opportunity around the world, particularly here in the Italian market, where small and medium enterprises are a larger percent of the total economy than in many other places. We're going to invest, we're going to innovate, we're going to bring our best products and thinking to market, but then in every one of these areas, customers are going to need help buying these products, deploying these products, customizing these products, and the nature of our partnership, whether it's on the consumer side of our business or the business and enterprise side of our business, is to work with you across this spectrum. We know you have choices. You have other people you can work with. And at the end of the day, when you come to a meeting like this, I think you're asking yourselves, are they going to succeed? Because if they succeed, that gives me an opportunity to succeed. And if they succeed, do they really want me adding value around everything that they do? In the areas on the board, some faster, some slower, I stake my reputation on our success. My reputation may take a while in search, but in the other areas, and we're just going to keep working and improving and getting better as we go. Some of you may look at this list and say, I don't see the cloud. What happened to the cloud? I don't think that the cloud is a separate opportunity. I think the cloud is fundamental to each of these opportunities. So when we talk about our BPOS, Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, that's not a different opportunity. That's the next step in our communications and productivity opportunity. When we talk about Windows Azure, that's the next step in our server opportunity. And I'm sure there's a lot of questions and around this. I get that from partners a lot. But we will continue to need partners who want to sell these products and make a margin. We're going to need partners who want to extend and customize these products, integrate them with other things our customers own. And while the model of our interactions will continue to evolve in the cloud, whether it's in the public cloud that we run, private clouds that some of our partners or customers will run, or still with servers that run on-premise, we think it's important that we work these opportunities together as they transform and move into the cloud itself. The economy is on everybody's mind. I talked a little bit about it. I talked about innovation and productivity. But now's the time to remember, this is our time. All of us. We've got to get out there and tell the story about how IT does drive efficiency, cost savings, productivity, innovation. We've got to know the stories. We've got to tell the stories. We've got to help our customers recognize the benefits. I was on stage today launching Windows 7, Windows Server 2008 R2, Exchange 2010. And we had a couple of customers from Edipower and Brembo. I was going to say Brembo, and that would have been not correctly pronounced. I was pretty sure of that. And then we had a partner there as well, and we talked about the value, the efficiency, the savings. And there are estimates that someplace between 50 to 100 euro a year could be saved on installing Windows 7. That's only going to happen if we and you work together to help our customers get those benefits and get those savings. We have some early successes with Windows 7. Just a small show of hands, how many of you were in the business of IT somehow at the time of Windows 95? Show of hands. For people who lived through that phenomenon, I can tell you a very good operating system delivered at the right time with the right right customer enthusiasm, has an amazing ability to stimulate the IT industry. I'm not going to say we're going to solve the current woes, that budgets are going to expand dramatically. That's not realistic in this economic environment. But the ability to use Windows 7, which has been getting, as you know, very well received and reviewed, to use that product to create stimulus, the way we did with Windows 95 some 14 years ago, I think is quite high. And I expect, particularly as we see the leading edge examples from the leading edge customers, if we get out there, we tell that story, and it's not just about Windows 7, it's not just about new desktops. It's about new infrastructure, new management, new applications, new things that people want to do in communication and collaboration. It's our time to seize, to tell people how to save money and get more done. This is a year of a lot of software releases. IE8, Windows 7, Silverlight, Office 2010, Windows Server, SQL Server, Windows Azure, and SQL Azure will be out at the end of the year. We launched our new generation of Windows phones based on Windows Mobile 6.5. Now is the time to translate those products into value for our customers. Let's work together to help our customers solve their decision support needs, business intelligence, search, portal. Let's work with people on their communications needs, voicemail, email, audio, and web conferencing. Let's get out there and help people run their businesses with the ERP solutions, with rapid application development built around SharePoint, workflow, our new CRM offering, website design. I think, there's still a lot of work to help our business customers build better websites. I talked to 3 or 4 different groups of chief marketing officers this week, and they all agree that their websites are their weakest part of their digital marketing efforts because IT and the marketing departments are disconnected. Virtualization and data center management, client security. We have an amazing lineup, I think. I know I work for Microsoft, but I think we have an amazing lineup of products that in your hands can help our customers really go attack an amazing range of interesting and important problems that they will confront in this environment of the so-called new economic normal will drive the need for the new efficiency. And all of us can really lead in that initiative. So I want to conclude again by saying thanks for your business, thanks for your support. We really appreciate it, we really value it. I look forward to having a discussion because I'm sure no matter what I say, I'll miss the most important topics on your mind. So we'll get into discussion and Q&A. If there's something that's important to you that we can't get to this afternoon because of time, please send me a piece of email. My email address is steveb@microsoft.com. I'd be more than delighted to follow up with you afterward via email if there's something we don't get to. So thanks, and over to you for discussion. Thank you.